Hello my dear students of grade 9. Today we are taking the second lecture of Unit 1. It will be about use of English, reporting verbs. When you report what someone said, you can use a verb such as offer, remind, suggest, complain, apologize, congratulate, and forgive. We have some rules we need to follow here. Verb plus an object. Since it's between two brackets, that means it's optional. That depends. A plus two plus verb. She offered to carry his shopping. He reminded her to take a sports kit to school. For example, she offered. We may say she offered them. It's okay. But he reminded, we cannot say he reminded to take. It should be followed by an object. Other reporting verbs which are followed by the to plus infinitive are agree, decide, promise, refuse. We have the other rule, verb plus ing form. For example, he suggested going to a restaurant. Other reporting verbs which are followed by the ing form are recommend and deny. We have verb plus object. As we said, the object is optional. That depends on the verb and sometimes depends on the situation, plus a preposition plus ing form. We usually follow the preposition by an ing form verb. Not always. Sometimes to is not followed by an ing form verb. Okay, let's take examples here. The neighbors complained about having no electricity in their flat. We apologized for making a lot of noise. He congratulated her on doing so well in her exam. He forgave him for taking his bike without telling him. I want you to notice something really important about forgive. Forgive here is followed by the ing form verb. It's really important to pay attention to this verb because I don't want you to mix it up with forget. It's something different. Okay, let's move on. Other reporting verbs which are followed by a preposition and the ing form are accuse, blame, and insist. We have a language tip here. Learn these verbs with the dependent prepositions. Please, I want you to try to remember them. It's really important. Accuse someone, it's between two brackets, that means it's optional, of. Apologize for, blame someone for, complain about, congratulate someone on, forgive someone for, insist on. Please, the prepositions which follow those verbs, I want you to try to memorize them. It's really important. For example, complain about. We cannot say complain of, complain for. We don't have this in English. It will be a mistake. Remember that they are all followed by a verb in the ing form. Let's move on. You have exercise 2, page 15. This is homework. Use the verb given to report what each person said. Number 1, Tom. I know I did not do well in the exam, but I will try harder next time. Use a promise. Tom promised to try harder next time. 2. Mrs. Binet, can I make you a sandwich? Alex, use offer. Mrs. Binet, gap. 3. Luke, come on, play football. Hugo, Hugo, no, I'm going to finish the crosswords first. Use insist. Hugo, gap. 4. Soraya, you took my mobile phone. Soraya's sister, I did not. Use accuse. Suraya, gap. 5. Mom, do not forget to switch the lights off before going to bed. Anita, use remind. Mom, gap. You have another homework, which is exercise 4, page 15. Write a note of apology to your teacher based on the following situation. Yesterday, you left the school early without permission. You had an appointment of the dentist and you only remembered of the last minute. You should write at least 60 words here. Thanks for watching this lecture. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to do your homework tomorrow. Thank you.